You want to learn how to cook Jamaican seafood stew peas? Watch to the end. Full recipe. To the pot, add 8 cups of water. Now add the pot to the stove. Turn it on. Wash 2 cups of red peas. 1, 2. Add the peas to the pot. 6 cloves of garlic. Pimento. 1 teaspoon sea salt. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook for 1 hour. Here we have some saltfish. We're going to rinse it off and boil it for 15 minutes to get out some of the sodium from it. It is already 15 minutes. Turn off the stove, strain it off. Also going to use a piece of salmon. Going to use it with the skin. It already scaled. Going to use some shrimp. Them already deveined. I'm just going to cut it in bites. Now I'm washing them with lime. Now I'm going to season the salmon and shrimp with my all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon green seasoning. Now I'm going to fry the salmon and shrimp for 2 minutes, a minute on each side. After 1 minute, flip them over for another minute. Now remove them from the pot. Now I'm going to break the coconut and blend it to get the coconut milk. And remember, if you cannot get the fresh coconut, you can use the coconut milk from the can. So I'm just going to cut up the coconut in small pieces so the blender don't jam when we're blending it. Now to the blender, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. This is the coconut milk that I get. Now I'm going to check if the peas them cook. Okay, now they cook. Add the coconut milk. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to come back to a boil. Okay, now it come to a boil. Going to drop some spinach dumpling in it. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add 1 pepper, add thyme, onions and sweet pepper. Now add scallions. Stir. Remember, I'm going to add saltfish in it, and the saltfish still have some sodium in it. I'm going to add a teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to cover it up for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add the salmon, saltfish and shrimp. Now I'm going to make it cook for 3 minutes and turn off the stove. Okay, this is it. Turn off the stove. Here you have it, seafood stew peas. Let me know in the comment what you eat your stew peas with. Going to eat some right away.